Let's talk a little bit about the 24-hour flower program. Our member florists have an opportunity to take advantage of Teleflora's 24-hour flower program. The benefit of being a part of this service is that florists can turn their telephone lines over to us at any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, whether they are busy filling orders or maybe the shop is closed. Sometimes, when you are calling out an order, you may actually be speaking to one of our team members answering for the shop. Now, our 24-hour team members have been instructed to answer their calls with the individual shop greeting, and if the person on the other end says, "This is Jody at Teleflora headquarters," or any similar verbiage that identifies them as a Teleflora employee, the 24-hour team member will explain that the shop has turned their phone lines over to us and request that you contact another shop to place the order. This is also applicable any call that is answered by anyone other than the shop, including answering services. As we finish this training on order call out, here are a few things to remember. If the florist needs additional money, follow the OCO Goodwill policy. It's located on Iris, and you can always refer to it in your training companion. If you need more goodwill than what is stated on the policy, be sure to check with chat or your team leader. Here is a tip for an alternative choice. If the item requested is a TF number and the florist does not have all the flowers, they can substitute the type of flowers as long as they follow the same color and design as the arrangement. We also want to make sure that the flowers are equal or greater in value to what was included in the original arrangement. For example, the value of a long stem rose is $7, whereas a spray rose is $1.25. So we want to make sure we are giving our customers the value that they expect. If the original recipe calls for a long stem rose, the florist will need to substitute with a flower that costs $7. If the first or second choice is not available, or no second choice is given, place the order on hold. If you need an alternative delivery date, notate the order and place it on hold. Please keep in mind that guidelines for goodwill and alternatives may sometimes be modified during busy holidays. When this occurs, you will be notified by your team leader. Let's take a moment to look at what's expected of you as an OCO agent while you are nesting and during your first couple of days of work. During nesting and your first day, you will be expected to place an average of 3 orders per hour. By your third day, you will be expected to place 5 orders per hour. And by the 5th day, we are confident that you will be placing, on average, 8 orders per hour. We know you're going to do great at this, and we appreciate all the hard work and dedication you are going to provide to achieve these goals. In this training, you've learned about the life of a Dove order, logging into Lawson, exploring the Lawson screens, working with an order, researching difficult orders, non-member florist, current guidelines, and order call out in the 24-hour program. This was a lot of information, but we guarantee if you use Iris, chat, and speak with your team leader, after a few orders, you will be a superstar. Thank you so much for watching.